Okay, we want to simplify this fraction. So not using calculator to do this. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's think about, let's see if I can factor a number into two factors, AB, and another number, maybe let's say AC. Then you see the difference, they still have the common factor. Like if they do have a common factor, that means the difference also have the common factor. So we're going to apply this one. Then also, if AB is a factor of one thing, I could multiply by any number I want. Right? A still is a factor, B still is a factor. I can multiply by any number, wouldn't change that. Because why we want to, so we want to apply those two facts. So first, let's subtract 1072, subtract 469. Yeah, 469, actually, I could apply this one. If these two have a common factor, because the difference is too big, I want to make this number as closer to the first number as possible. If I multiply by 3, it's too big, right? Let's multiply by 2. So I multiply by 2, this number becomes, so it becomes minus 2 times 9, 18, carry on 1, 2 times 6, 12, 13, then 938. So when I subtract those two, I get 134, much smaller number, right? If I am just subtracted 1072, 469, I get a big number. I have to keep subtracting. So now I want to use this number. I want to use this number, subtract their difference. So 469 subtract 134. And also 134 is too much smaller than 469. So what do? I can also multiply by number. So maybe I multiply by 3. 3 times 4, 12. Then 3 times 3, 9. Carry on 1, 0. Then I get a 402. Then I subtract, so 469, subtract 402, I get a 67. Okay, great. This is what we want. Why? Because 67 is a prime number, right? It cannot be factored anymore. Well, the only prime number only has two factors, 1 and itself. So that means if those two numbers have common factor, that can only be 67. So let's try it. Well, maybe they don't have common factors. If they don't have common factors, we cannot simplify. Well, let's try. So 469 divided by 67. Let's see if it can be. So 7 times 7, 49. Right? 6 times 7, 42. 42 plus 4, yes, bingo. Right? Okay, so that means 469 can be written as 67 times 7. Now let's see the denominator. 1072. If we divide by 67, 167, subtract, we get a 402, isn't it? Right, because 7 minus 7 is 0, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Then carry on, pull these two down. Now, 6, yes, 6, right? Because 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 6, 36, plus 4, 40. Yes. Okay. So that means the denominator can be written as 67 multiplied by 16. 67 divided by 67 is just 1. So these two numbers can be simplified as 7 over 16. Okay, so sometimes without a calculator, we can simplify a big fraction this way.